Yo, what's up? It's your boy. You know what's going on. So, guys, I don't know how many times I've been interrupted trying to capture this. Anyway, let's continue, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is making money. In case of me, I'm no more trading anymore. Actually, I'm not saying that I've stopped, but I'm currently not trading because of school and all that type of shit. But anyway, the skills stay there and we're still pushing, man. And last week I did recognize that actually we had NFP this week. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna analyze, show you how I analyze for NFP, even though I didn't trade it, but I'm trying to show you how I went about it and why it did what it did, and how price pushed, and then how you could have capitalized from pure analysis, pure technicals. So now to break it down for you, we have DXY, of which it is the dollar index. If you don't know what is a dollar index, it's actually, I could say it's a dollar pair. So it's not pairing to another pair. Understand? It's the base and the pair at the same time. It's just only based on the dollar. It's the US dollar, by the way. So guys, I was able to see something now on the daily time frame that okay, we've been pushing down all the time, but something changed, because now I was able to see that we had this last price, the market broke down, but when it came back, it pushed all the way, breaking its high. After pushing all the way, it came back now, giving us what? A clear entry area. We had a lot of entry areas, of which one of those could have been this one, that's a very, actually this one, it's a very important zone that I like to enter at, but not on higher time frames, because I'm not quite good at when it comes to higher time frames. I'm more comfortable in small time frames, something like your 15-minute. You look at this impulse, we got tapped in our very beautiful golden zone there, but I was able, fortunately enough and skillfully enough, I was able to see that now price is pushing down on this um correction, but I was able to see this break of structure and a change of market character. Now after this change of market character, I would have waited for it to come back down a little bit, at least tapped into this, but unfortunately that didn't happen. The price continued to move all the way, giving us another break of structure. Now making this zone, making this area to be what? Our order block. As you can see, um price did push all the way up, came back down and tapped into that. But also, this may sound as if I'm picking things up, but look at this. Look at this. It's an impulse, correction, impulse, giving us what? A break of structure. Here, giving us what? An order block. But the question is, why did the market did not respect this order block and came for this one that is right here? And the answer is, if you can look at carefully, you can see this is a clear what? Consolidation area, giving us what? Liquidity. Except for that, we have what? We have this first touch, second touch, third touch of liquidity. That is trendline liquidity. That's why hence we saw the market, it came all the way down to tap into this one, and from there it pushed all the way up, giving us what? Another break of structure. But I don't want to talk about many things. I want to go down to 15 minutes. I want to show you how I traded NFP, how it pushed, and all that type of shit. So on a 15-minute, guys, this is what I was seeing. Price was pushing up all the way, and then it kind of gave us a break of structure. When it came back down, gave us what? Change of market character. Why change of market character? Because it did not respect the structure. It broke out of the trend. Now, as it breaks out of the trend, if you go to 45 minutes, I believe there's an order block here, a POI actually, beautiful POI. As you can see, it is the one that I marked. But going back to 15 minutes, there's something awesome that I saw. Now, when we are approaching the NFP release time, I was able to see that actually our last high was this one, of which it tend to be what? Change of market character. And you look at this, we've got much bigger imbalance, and the price at that time of NFP, it was around this zone, just right there. And I was able to see that, okay, price actually gave us another what? Another Birkhoff structure, making what? Making this to be a high valid zone, to be what? A high probability zone, because it is what? It is the last low, making this at that current time to be the last high, making this to be what? The last low. So now we were ranging between what? This area. So now I was able to actually pinpoint this beautiful candlestick right there, that I'm gonna take my entry at that beautiful candlestick there, and I put my sell limit or my buy limit actually, and then the rest is history, guys. The market tapped in just as NFP came in. The market was able to push all the way up high, and that is how I predicted the dollar index. Now going back to Euro USD, actually it was quite hard for me to actually get it, as I was looking, as actually I didn't have a clear direction on this one. But what helped me is this helped me because I was able to see that we actually have a last price over there. As a last price, also, what do we have over here? We have this beautiful Birkhoff structure there. We have what? Another change of market character. So for surely we were changing the trend from being an uptrend into now being what? A downtrend. So now, which price was I looking at? I was looking at this price over here, that the market, if it sells on NFP, we are going after this price. But as you can see, it didn't go to that price. In terms of Euro USD, I didn't trade it. I didn't have a clear setup. Now going to GU, of which it was the very much beautiful trade, actually a beautiful analysis that I had on this one. So to show you just to show you the overall structure, this is the overall structure. What do we have? We have like your change of market character, Birkhoff structure, just normal basic movements, or structure. So what do you see over here? Okay, I can see exactly that same thing that applies to Euro USD. With an uptrend, the market broke, and what did it do? It went down. Change of market character, very important. Many of us would have waited for this zone to be mitigated, but unfortunately the market took what? This zone and decided to sell. Gave us what? A Birkhoff structure over here. Beautiful Birkhoff structure. And as it continued down, gave us another Birkhoff structure. But now you need to understand the internal and the external. Meaning that now this Birkhoff structure, this was all just liquidity. Now, with experience of me trading NFP, I was able to actually see that even this price, even me taking out a sell limit here, was actually gonna be a wrong thing, because I understood one thing, that we have this beautiful candlestick here that was not filled in. The beautiful candlestick there, and the market had to go all the way to it, tap into it, and as you can see, when NFP came in, this thing sold massively. It sold massively. As you can see, it went up to the maximum of let me actually look here. It went to the maximum of 70 pips, of which it is beautiful. NFP normal moves this way. I think that's it, guys. That's it. In terms of gold, this is what I was seeing. Yes, I was able to catch the movement of NFP, of which it is this candlestick, but unfortunately the market continued all the way up. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. Share the video. Beautiful analysis. Let's go to one of these. Let's see what's happening in them. As you can see, I had an area. Actually here I was just analyzing, but I got beautiful analysis on these ones. Beautiful analysis. So from now on, guys, we are looking for only buys on Nasdaq. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep on watching. I'll be dropping more content, but it's gonna be hard for me to drop content. Anyway, guys, I wish you good luck on your trading. Trade well. Let's kill it, man. Let's kill it.